In this video, I will show you how to use generative AI to edit your photos and make this attractive with another AI tool. Watch the video to learn the power of AI. Go to labs.openai.com. Select DALL-E. Here, upload an image to see the magic. Whatever you write in the box, it will generate for you. Let's select our one photo. Crop this photo to 1:1 ratio. Now write how you want to edit this photo and what you like to do with this photo. I have written something and let me paste this. Now mark the area where you want to edit. Now tap on generate. You will get an awesome result here. Wait for few moments. Here our result is ready. If you don't like these results, you can generate again. I want to generate this again. Here is the result. Click on the result which you like the most. I like this one. You can click variations to see more variation of it, or you can edit, and also you can download this. Tap save from the top right corner to save the image. Our photo has been downloaded. Now I will use another AI tool to make this photo more attractive. Open ToonMe app. You can download this from Google Play Store. On this app, from the menu, select Barbie Fly. Then upload the image. This app will do the rest of the things. Look what this app has generated. It's really awesome. If you don't like this result, you can tap for more. It will give you one by one amazing results. You can download the result which you want. Just tap on the download button and it will automatically download the image for you. By this way, you can turn an ordinary image to a masterpiece. You can edit whatever you like, whatever you want to do with the photo. Just type and tap generate. AI will do all the things for you. These are the results. You can see how amazing this. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.